A farmer has 1,190 acres of land on which he grows corn, wheat, and soybeans. Costs $45 per acre to grow corn, $60 per acre to grow wheat, and $50 per acre to grow soybeans. Because of market demand, the farmer will grow twice as many acres of wheat as corn. He has allocated $63,100 for the cost of growing his crops. How many acres of each crop should he plant? And so here we'll let X be the number of acres of corn, Y of wheat, and Z of soybeans. So we know that he has 1,190 acres of land, therefore X plus Y plus Z equals 1,190. In terms of the cost, it would cost $45 to grow X acres of corn, $60 for Y acres of wheat, and $50 for Z acres of soybeans. And this would come to $63,100 because that's the amount that has been allocated for growing the crops. We also know that he's going to grow twice as many acres of wheat as of corn. So the wheat, which is Y, will be 2 times the corn, which is X. So our system here with the augmented matrix would be 1, 1, 1, 1,190, 45, 60, 50, 63,100, and 0. And I'm moving the 2x to the left, and so that x, that first coefficient, would be a -2. So -2, 1, 0. Now I can take row 2 and subtract 45 and take and add 2 times row 1 and put that back. So the first line is 1, 1, 1, 1,190. The next row would be 0, 15, 5, and 63,100 minus 45 times 1,190, which gives 9,550. So 9,550. And in the last row, we'd have 0, 3, 2, and 2 times 1190 which is 2380. So now what I'd like to do is I'd like to get a 0 in row 2, column 2, which I can do by taking row 2 and subtracting 5 times row 3. It's going to give me 1,190. It's going to give me 0, 0, minus 5, and 9550 minus 5 times 2380 is going to give us negative 2350. And last row, 0, 3, 2, 23, 8. So and I'll take negative 1. So 1,190, 2, 2380, and 0, 0, 4, 7, 0, 470. Now, I'm going to take negative 2 times row 3 and add it to row 2. And that's going to give me 1, 1, 1, 1190, 0, 3, 0, 2380, minus 2 times 470, which is 1,440. And the last row, 0, 0, 1, 470. Now I can multiply the second row by 1/3, put it back in the second row to get 1, 1, 1, 1190, 0, 1, 0, goes into 14 4 times and into 24 8 times. So 408 and 001. So we have Z equals 470, Y equals 480, X plus Y plus equals 1,100. So this gives us then that X equals 1,190 minus 480 minus 470, which is 240 acres. So 240 acres corn, 480 acres wheat, and